But you see, we are optimists. We continue our work with hope for the future. You see, we are strong people like you. We'll survive.
We are sure that you will survive.
So, the President has decided to grant His Excellency Mr. Sotirios Athanasiou, Ambassador, Consul General of Hellenic Republic, Star of Jerusalem Order, in recognition for his role to strengthen the Palestinian-Greek relations and in appreciation for his efforts in supporting the Palestinian people and their just cause, in addition to the continuous support of his people and government, which was emphasized by the vote in favor of upgrading the status of the State of Palestine in the UN.